Mermaid. I really want you to catch up with me, Mermaid. Well, Mermaid, I can see the starfish. Well, I can see some oysters down there. I can see some oysters going on. Well, maybe. What's a mermaid and a barnacle? Mermaid boy. Oh, that's good. That sounds like mermaid, isn't it? It sounds like the prettiest mermaid in the whole wide world. Oh, I can't do it right now. Well, these mermaids are looking pretty awesome. Well, it looks pretty awesome. Oh, I love to. Oh, wow. Home sweet home. It looks fancy. Oh, that was fantastic. Oh, so much
Power. Stay back, you no good wrangler. Remember the Alamo. I'm just getting warmed up. Yeehaw!
Nice try. These are the mermaid's hits. Oh. That's mermaids. It's just tickling mermaid. Mermaid's looking good. This is terrific. Oh, fantastic, mermaid. Oh, what about a barnacle? I can't wait to see the mermaids going on adventure. Well, I can't remember that right now. I'm too busy to do the mermaids instead.
Splish, splash, the water's perfect. You, me, and the deep blue sea. Tails in the air like you just don't care. It's an underwater fantasy. Yeah! Splish, splash, the water's perfect. You, me, and the deep blue sea. Tails in the air like you just don't care.